Hello, everyone. This is Eric with Sobervation, and today I am going to show you guys how to add different colors of embroidery on different colors of hat and have them appear under the same listing in Shopify. So you can see here on my website, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here we have my white and yellow variant of our We Do Recover hat, and this looks great on all of the dark colors, but the white font didn't look very good on the white hats, in my opinion. So I made another variant before I knew how this all worked to use black text on top. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create one product that will have all of these colors, this listing and this listing. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that over in Shopify right now. So this same process will apply if you have a front design or a rear design that needs to be a different color on a different variant as well. It will work if you want to add different colored inside labels to different colored shirts as well. So if you guys aren't necessarily looking for different colored embroidery, the same concept applies to adding different colored variants under the same product for all products across Printful and Shopify. So let's get started. I'm going to go to my dashboard and we are going to create a product template. So I'm going to go over here into my templates and I am going to create a new template. I'm just going to search for the classic dad hat, and we will start with our black variant just because it's here. Let's make something brand new. I don't have a hat that says recover out loud, so let's do that. So you can see the darker colors don't look very good on this hat. If you click this little caret, it shows you both of your layers of text. So if you just start editing your text, it's going to take out their formatting. But if you go over here and you click on each individual layer, like this is the here layer. So we are going to put our text in here, and this is going to say the word loud. We're going to say loud. All right, I am going to make the colors my default colors that I use on my website. So my top thread of my embroidery is going to be white, and the bottom thread of my embroidery is going to be blue. Let's see here. Yeah, that looks sharp. Okay, so we now have our dark colored variant. The key thing here is we need to add this to our store. So we are going to add these variants to our store. Proceed to your mockups. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the mockups. You've got a category for main mockups and additional. Your main mockup is going to be the default photo that shows on your product listing. Some of these, if you click on the main mockup, you have multiple images over here to choose from, and you can make the main image by clicking on the star. For hats, I always like to go one of these type of mockups, and I generally go with the front view of the hat. All right, now this is a customized GPT that I've already got set up. So if you're just going to chat GPT, you're obviously not going to have the Sobervation assistant like I'm using here. I just have it where it names the product for me and with the brand voice, brand tone, the type of everything I like for all of our products. And then I paste that into here. I always attach a size guide, and I put this in my hats collection. Now I've got my description and everything in here. You'll see we are ready to price it. I have a set price for embroidered dad hats for $30 on my store. That way I can offer discounts. I always pay for shipping. I offer it to the customers for free just because as a consumer, I want to buy stuff that comes with free shipping. I'm going to submit that to our store. Where most people get hung up is your logical thought would be that you click edit to add another variant, but that's not what we do here. So on your left-hand side, you are going to click stores, and we're actually going to view our store. So wait here while it loads. This could take a while if you've got lots of products. What you'll see right here is the product we just added. So again, your natural instinct is to click edit to add another variant, but you don't get there. You just click on it, open it up. So we have our black And we have our navy variants, the white and the blue embroidery. So right here, it shows add variant. We're going to click add variant. Going to click add variant, and it's going to default to one of the colors that you've already picked. And it won't let you unselect it until you've selected another color. So select your lighter variant and then uncheck the one that you've already set. Move myself around down here. You can see it shows down here that these variants are already in your store, so these variants won't be updated, the black one and the navy one. Now we're selecting our white variants. I'm going to keep it classy and just do a black, blue, and white hat this time. So the only thing I'm going to change on here is I'm going to select my top text, and we are going to change the color of that thread to black, and we're going to hit the choose mockups button and hit continue. Again, I'm offering free shipping, makes me more competitive, I believe. And all right, product variants were successfully added. Changes will take effect shortly. Look at that. It's right there in the store. Now we have black, navy, and white. When we look at this on our store, we have all three variants. So I've got the white variant with the dark text, and I've got the dark variants with the light text. So again, let's go through this one more time. We're going to go over here. We started by adding a new product to our store in the first variant. Then, after we had already added it to our Shopify store, we visit the product in our Printful store. Click on the item. Go ahead and add a camo one. Let's see what color would look good on camo here. I actually think black and gray would look real sharp here. Let's see which one I want to call black. Yeah, that's nice and sharp. I'm actually going to keep that one. Choose mock. Free shipping. 30. Submit to store. Product variants added successfully. And it's just that simple, guys. Look at this. Look at this. All of them are in my store. Black has the color of embroidery I want. White has the color of embroidery I want. And camo is our limited edition Recover Out Loud. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll keep more tutorials coming. And see you guys later.